Good morning. Let's start a new chapter of computer, chapter number 6, Adobe Photoshop CX6. Now, introduction. We seldom notice in our day-to-day life, photograph in magazine, catalogs, personal albums or advertisement are quite different from normal photograph which we click our cameras. You must have seen the photos in magazines, personal albums, advertisement. Those photographs are different from the normal photograph which when we click our cameras. Even a normal looking person looks very handsome and beautiful in this picture. Even a normal looking person looks very beautiful, handsome in this picture. There are no wrinkles, shadow, unwanted shades. No unwanted shades, no wrinkles, no shadow. As a result, the person looks better than actual. In short, the person looks better than actual. Such alteration and enhancement have been made possible with the help of Adobe Photoshop. These changes, these alterations, enhancement that become possible with the help of software known as Adobe Photoshop. Photoshop is a photographic editing software which is developed by Adobe system. Photoshop is a generic graphic editing software which is developed by Adobe system. It is widely used by several graphic artists, photographers, web developers, designers, and even for personal purposes. It is used by graphical artists, photographers, web developers, designers, even for personal purposes. Photograph in magazine, newspaper, catalogs, etc. are all edited and designed in Photoshop only. All the photographs in magazine, newspaper, catalog are all edited and designed in Photoshop. The software has been so popular that it has been accepted as industry standard for graphic for professionals. The software has become so popular that it has been accepted as industry standard for graphics personal and is regarded one of the early killer application on the PC. And this software is mostly used by the persons to change the appearance of the photograph. Now, we have to study this in a chapter. What is the feature of Photoshop CX6 Professionals? What is the features of this software? Revised and more user-friendly interface. It is revised and more user-friendly. Photo editing or photo manipulation can be done very quickly and easily. Photo editing and photo manipulation can be done very easily and quickly. Powerful tools to improve and change the color of the image by adjusting the brightness and contrast, color balance, hue and saturation levels, curves and so on. 5 powerful tools which are there to improve or change the color of the image by adjusting the brightness and contrast, color balance, saturation level, curves, so on. Cropping or resizing of picture can be done without losing the quality of the image. We can resize the image, we can crop the image without losing the quality of the image. The new quick selection toolbar enable the user to select and drag across the image to make faster selection. We can use the new quick access toolbar which help the user to click and drag across the image to make it faster selection. We can create graphics for which web applications which reduce file size, thus help in fast uploading. We can create the graphics and we can reduce the size, we can compress it, and it will definitely upload it on the web server very easily, very quickly. Removing the unwanted object from the picture is very easy now. Suppose some unwanted pictures are also there in your added in your photograph, so you can just remove it, unwanted picture part from that. 3D icon, you can create the 3D icon. You can make animated graphics. You can also make animated graphics. Layer effect, preserve the original state of the image as we manipulate other versions on it another layer. Layer effect can also be there, which we can use it. We can add as many layers as we require. We can add as many layers as we want. Auto line and blend feature saves a lot of time. These two features are there, auto line and blend, which saves a lot of time. Improved print window simplifies printing operation. Print window is there which help us to print it quickly. So these are the different features which is a part of Adobe Photoshop, and that make us a work easier. Now, how to start the photo? Adobe Photoshop. Click on the start button, all program, Adobe Photoshop CS6 and Adobe Photoshop 6, Adobe Photoshop CS6, and in this way when you will open, this sort of screen will come in front of you.